Wow. Guys, what's up? It's Mark and Ford. We're at Tractor Supply today and just want to give you guys a top secret tip heads up is guess what they're selling. Ford, show them what they're selling. Ford, there you go. That's right, buddy. Guys, they are selling 4 to 5 inch MBRP 12-inch tips for $60. Ford, tell them, show them. Boom. Show it. Say boom. Isn't that awesome? $60 right there. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. All different types. Show them. Say boom. Show them. Yeah, show YouTube what's going on. Give a shout out to everybody. Say, what's up, YouTube? High five. 1.5 years old. Tell them how to high five. Ready? Show a high five. All right. High five. So MBRP tips. Look at all these crazy receivers and trailer brakes and brake controllers and lights for your trailer. We're in heaven right now, Ford, right? All right, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care. Peace out. I'm on daddy duty. See ya.